This is Sebastian over at Lexus of Lehigh Valley, and today are my 2-minute tips on why the LS500 seats are so awesome. In the luxury and executive package, there is a 28-way power adjustable seat for the drivers. Now, what that means is it's going to take you a moment to set it correctly, and once you do though, it's going to make you melt. I mean, we'll look over here at the screen for the seat. You can see driver. You see it starts with the head, the upper back, the lower back. Then we'll come over. This is the rear, your thighs, your lats, or the sides of your back. Now, and then if you go into any of them, there's multiple options for each one. The idea is it's going to find your perfect comfort at any level, which is just something pretty incredible to me. The next thing I'd like to mention is the massaging seats. It's actually again, for those similar packages, the luxury and the executive, you're going to get them in the front seats as well. Other packages, you'll still have them in the back seats there. But what's neat about the massage is it's not just a vibrating seat at all. And I mean, I've sat in Bentleys before, and just it was nice. The lower back, you'll like massage, just kind of a vibrate while you drive. But this is almost your full body. You saw all the sections of the 28 adjustable seats. Well, it's called a, now I'm gonna lose it right here, shiatsu massage. But the Japanese, they actually consulted with Japanese masters of this massage and found where the actual pressure points would be, like where they would be on a person, and develop the seat in that condition as well. So it's not just a vibrating seat. It's a lot of thought put into it to make it feel like a true massage from a master masseuse too. So those are a couple of the top reasons. Of course, there is a semi-aniline leather. There is heated and ventilated seats. There are some extras that you'd assume maybe at this level. But with that said, the 28-way power adjustable seats, somebody's starting a car over there, the massage seats, as well as the heated, cooled, and special leather, of course. Thanks for watching. My name's Sebastian at Lexus Lehigh Valley.